Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you do a factory reset, your SD card will not be touched. Your pics, etc. will all stay put. If you've selected your Google account as the default way to store your contacts, they will all repopulated from Google after you set up your phone. If you want to be sure you're saving settings, etc.
Make your mark, take our lead.
A factory reset relates to the rebooting of the entire system, while hard resets relates to the resetting of any hardware in the system. Factory reset. Factory resets are generally done to remove the data entirely from a device. The device is to be started again and requires the need of reinstallation of the software.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.